I'm not sure exactly the target. We're long at 40 right now, um, right here, and I'm looking for a breakout move above this
Order
purple line at
pending.
52 to possibly give us a jam all the way up to
Order
60.
pending.
Will that happen? I don't know, but here's where we're long, and the bears have been just back attacking the market. So if they're going to turn them around and move this thing up and really show that the thing's ready to turn around, they should have some kind of breakout at this point where they try to jam them back up. And I am estimating somewhere between 56 and 60. So let's see if we can get them going. We're above the key level of 46 now. We need to hold them above, generally above 46. And if we can get 46 working and jamming them above 50, that'll help our case for the possibility of seeing the market attempt a stronger breakout above 47, holding 47 and jamming over 50. I don't know yet. The bears keep attacking. The bulls are kind of a little bit placid. They're not really coming in and kicking the thing's butt.
Order pending.
Look, you can see it. They're just not they're not showing the strength at all. It's kind of sad. Only because I think it should be. But maybe it's just still a big creepy damn bear market that's not going to let up just yet. I don't know. I'd like to think so. This is okay, so they had the big overnight Globex jam on the upside, huge.
Order
And this
pending.
is the test where they get beaten up on the downside really hard. And if it's truly going to be bullish, this thing is going to ramp up from here and we should get that move back to 60. I sure hope so. But we got to be safe and do our best to plan everything right. We're long at 40.
Order pending.
So let's see if they can generally hold up, the 35 to 40 area. I hope so. God, the bears are just relentless. But let's see if we do get a breakout and there's kind of a realization that, yeah, all that selling and that bearish stuff's kind of getting to be yesterday's news, then 60 could actually be a small target. I'll stick with that for now. But you can see they keep hitting them. They're not letting up on the selling. God, they're just not letting up. My God, look at that. It's unbelievable. They're not letting up. Still holding long here at 40. My goodness. Very tricky market here. Let's see if we can get them going back over 40. Unfortunately, they might sell off again. Damn it. This is really tough. Let's see if we can get the thing to show signs of a true turnaround bullish type deal. And that means coming in right here on this last sell off and really taking them up and cleaning out all this bearishness. Got to clean out all these bearish stops here. So I don't know. It's still very weird, and they're working the sell side still, without a doubt. So we're trying to be part of what maybe become the new bullish type environment here over the next few days at least. I'm so far not so good. Dow's only up 109. What happened to the big ramp up? So let's see if we can get them going. We got to get them stabilized above 41 to 42. If we can stabilize 42, they should be able to launch a liftoff from there or get smashed back lower. That's the key right now, 42. 42 serving as a sort of launching pad for a move up towards 55 to 60.
Order pending.
You notice though, it's been so anemic as far as the launching pad liftoffs. I thought we'd see a lot more of that today. They were doing it earlier, and then the sellers came in and they just kind of backed off. Remember that crunch that I got out of that long trade on? I said, no, this is a crunch. And then we got out of that, and I kept trying to work the long side, but maybe this one will do it because this was a substantial drop. Holding 42 now is the key, and this may take a little while, but if it does kind of generate the buying juice to want to go out and knock out these bearish stops up there over 50, that's going to be a real helpful key for us to get them to go up over there, and then they might light them up there if that happens, not just because of the bearish stops, but because there'll be some maybe I don't know yet. Look at this. They're
Order
still hitting.
pending.
These bears are so relentless. I thought this stuff was over. I thought this stuff was over. They are still killing them. Wow. Okay, let's see if they stabilize 42 again. And again, looking for a launch pad at 42 level 1 on the upside, and then a second level launch pad above 50, where there just becomes this
Order pending.
perception that, okay, the selling's old and yesterday's news, and Merry Christmas, it's time to rally. I don't know. It just doesn't seem to be showing those signs so far. But you have to usually wait through this, and then it kind of comes out of nowhere, and everybody goes, wow, look at that. It becomes like something to behold where they launch. They plow through the stops, the bearish stops, and all of a sudden it
Order.
establishes a new upside mode. We're not there yet. It's still fighting and arm wrestling with this 40 area on that last dip low. They have not broken out, and they're not, the bears are still winning so far. We've got to give it time, because if it's a turnaround day and that turnaround is going to happen, they're going to blow up on the upside. So far, some signs coming in now that that possibility is there, but they're trading real fast and hyper again. That's because we're right at that pivot, and they're getting real hyper. So hopefully they're going to blow them up to 60 for us, 55 to 60. Let's see if all this pent up tension can turn into a real upside move here above 48 to 50. Ramping up 48 to 50, there we could have a genuine upside power move above 50, the 48 to 50 zone, and start cleaning out some stops, which should ideally carry us up to the 60 level. We're in the most volatile period I've ever seen in 32 years of trading, and it is really a wild fiasco in the sense that you got this huge arm wrestling match with the bull and the bear. I think the bulls are going to try to break out. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. As they every year we'd have a Santa Claus rally over many of those 32 years I was trading. It was just traditional. It's Santa Claus rally. Had so many of those, and maybe there's going to be some mild attempt at one now. Okay, trying to break out 48 to 50. Let's see if we can establish 50 as a new base and a new possible upside launching pad for a move up to 60. That's what I'm hoping for, but the bears keep attacking. But let's see if we can get 50 established as a base. Look at how they're trying. Establish 50 as a new base and a launching pad for a move up towards 60. If they get a hard, fast jam above 58, I'm going to take the trade from here and then ramping them straight up to 58 area, we're going to exit the trade. But let's see if we can launch them from here. Just be ready to get a hard, fast jam up over 58. Otherwise, hold on and let's see if they can slow grind them up to 60 for us. Watching for a slow grind up to 60, or from this 51, 52 area, a hard, fast ramp up to 57, 57 and a half, 58, like that. You get the idea. Just, okay, watch out here. Maybe they're going to jam them real hard. They hit a pile of stops. Stay ready. So far, they're slow grinding higher. I'm trying to hold them out to 60, but if they get a hard, fast jam that ramps them up to 58 or higher, we're going to exit the trade, okay? Let's see if we can do it. Hard, fast jam right in here, shooting them up towards 58 or higher. We're going to get out of the trade. They're climbing now, so it should be able to reach up there. I sure hope so without getting attacked again by the sellers. Okay, stay ready to jump out anytime. Go ahead and exit at the
Order
market right there.
canceled.
Exit right there. Exit. I got my reasons. Exit right there. I'm losing quotes. Something happened. I hope you can hear. I'm losing quotes. Something big just happened on e-signal. Or maybe it's Ninja. It's e-signal. E-signal froze. All right. Um, quick Q&A here. Let me know you can hear me okay. So I'm sure it's not my computer. Okay, I'm putting my Q&A on. You gotta let me know right now. Just type in the Y or yes. Can you hear me? You can hear me okay? All right. I think I'm okay. Thank you. Very good. Most appreciated. Okay, so you can hear me. I lost data on e-sig. Something happened in the markets. Maybe when I got them out at 55, and they should be out at 55 or higher. Um, maybe the thing just exploded. I don't know. Let's see what happened. No, I guess not. Okay, I just lost quote. I got 55 when we got them out, and I see the high here is showing 55 even, so we will use 57.50 as our exit, and that ties in with what I wanted. So okay, that was just somehow a glitch at the exchange, because the exchange, the huge giant ice exchange, owns e-signal. They bought it because of their data is so time tested and precision. But so I said 55. What we'll do is we'll say not 57.50. I meant 54.50, because I called them right when they jammed at 55, and then things froze. So 40 to 54.50 plus 14.50 on that trade. That was weird though. Somehow the data froze there, but that's okay. We got them out. That's all that counts. Okay, thanks Lynn for the update, or Demetrius. Thanks for the update there. The markets are whipping all over the place, so there's going to be a little slippage here and there. Not a problem. Good job. Here's a report: 54.75, 54 quarter. So we're
Order
right on line
pending.
there. Good job, great trade. Appreciate it.